Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch back to personal account from business account on TikTok. To do that, go to your profile and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Go to accounts. Click on switch to personal account. If you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. Your account will no longer show your business website and email. You will still be responsible for any violations you received on your business account. So click on switch anyway. Now your account will be switched back to personal account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.